Why can I connect my Xbox 360 to the internet?
Hello there. Having trouble connecting your Xbox 360 to the internet? Don't worry. In this guide, we will walk you through some common reasons why you might be having this problem and how to resolve them. Our focus will be to help you troubleshoot and fix your Xbox 360's internet connection.
Are your network settings correct?
Firstly, check if your Xbox 360's network settings are correct. Ensure you're connected to the right network and have the correct password. If you're using a wired connection, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly plugged in. For a wireless connection, ensure you're within range of your router.
Is your network hardware working properly?
The issue could also be with your network hardware like your modem or router. To determine if this is the case, try to reset your network hardware. Turn off your Xbox, unplug your modem and router from power for a few minutes, then plug them back in and turn your Xbox on again.
Are other devices connecting to the internet?
A good way to pinpoint if the problem lies with your Xbox 360 or your network is to see if other devices are able to connect to the internet. If other devices can't connect either, then the problem likely lies with your internet service, not your Xbox 360.
Have you tried the Xbox 360's network troubleshooting tools?
Your Xbox 360 comes with inbuilt network troubleshooting tools that can help diagnose and often solve the problem. Go to System Settings, Network Settings, test Xbox Live Connection to run a diagnostic test.
Is your Xbox 360 system software up to date?
Sometimes, outdated system software may cause connectivity issues. Ensure that your Xbox 360 system software is up to date. If you can't connect to the internet, you may need to download the update manually using a computer, then transfer the update to your Xbox 360 using a USB flash drive. We hope this guide has been helpful in diagnosing and fixing your Xbox 360's internet connectivity issues. Remember to check your network settings, ensure your network hardware is working properly, see if other devices can connect, use the Xbox 360's network troubleshooting tools, and keep your Xbox 360 software up to date. Good luck, and happy gaming!